persons who had to relocate out of Nigeria. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and please do turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. So this video is not going to be long as usual. It's going to be very short and quick. I just want to share with you amazing opportunities that I'll be sharing with you in my subsequent videos. So there are a lot of people that have been migrating, traveling, getting jobs, professional jobs in Nigeria, and I'm particularly talking about those professionals in Nigeria. So there are a lot of good news, guys. There are a lot of opportunities out there, and I'll be sharing with you some of the things I've seen lately. So I'll be looking down at my phone because I had to jot down a lot of things as they were coming on, guys. So there are 5 or 4 types of jobs opportunities that I will share with you today that I've seen a couple of my friends and families who have explored these opportunities and are doing pretty well, while they're doing pretty well as a result of getting these opportunities. So one of the job employment structure is full-time employment. So I know a lot of people have gotten full-time employment in Nigeria, remote jobs and the likes. The other type of opportunity that I would like to share again is contract jobs. So there are some jobs that are contract that you get to do in the space of 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, depending on the contract terms of the organization. And I think one other thing I would like to also mention is the volunteer job. So some people have been able to volunteer themselves to organizations just to be able to get the experience they need in certain skills or certain structures in different organizations. So a lot of my friends and family have benefited from this, like I said earlier, and I'll be bringing them on board to share their experiences, what they went through. So a lot have even gotten remote jobs. I currently have about 2 to 3 persons who had to relocate out of Nigeria to different countries, which I will not mention now, but you get to hear them in my subsequent videos. So stay tuned while I bring those guys on board. Subsequently, you get to hear from them, hear from the horse's mouth, you get to speak to you, and you get to also know what you are supposed to do. So guys, do not snooze on it. Keep your eyes on my channel, subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a good one. Bye.